If you're interested in making money online from articles and publish them into different platforms and monetize them using affiliate marketing or selling digital items and the like, so you've got to publish different versions of your own content in order not to be punished by Google because of duplicating your content. And for sure, instead of going to ChatGPT, for example, and generate your article and then ask it again to generate a new copy and so on, for sure, this one it takes a lot of time and effort. And we all know that time equals money. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a nice trick how you can get new copies of your article or your piece of content that will blow your mind and completely for free. So now, let me show you. So first of all, just head over to ChatGPT, and if you want to generate your article from ChatGPT in the first place, like this one, or if you jot down your own thoughts to create your article from scratch, it's up to you. So here, I'll just take this an example, write an article about the best steps to be a successful leader, and then go. So for sure, we all know ChatGPT would craft for you an amazing article as you see, okay? So the next step here, and instead of going to the same page here and ask ChatGPT just to generate a new copy of this article, it would just rewrite the same article with the same tone, the same style, and so on. But if you want to generate, for example, 5 or 6 new versions of the same article, for sure it takes a lot of time. So when you're done, you're on the first version here. So I just copy this article all in all, okay, like this one. And now we can head over to this awesome website that is yop.ai. It's a great new brand website enables you to use different AI models completely for free. And in addition, you will get paid for your voting and your suggestions. So here, just you can insert here your prompt as you do usually on any different AI model like generating images in Claude, Grok, and so on. So here, as in our case, just you can insert here your own article, okay? And now we can ask this tool to generate or to rewrite and rephrase this article in new style and new tone. So please rewrite and rephrase this article, okay? And for sure we can be more specific by insert your tone and something like that. So I just get enough with that as an example. And here in the second step here, just you can go to this choose models. So I can select from a wide range of these AI models to rephrase and rewrite your own piece of content. So for sure, just go like Claude, okay. I select this one, for example, okay. And add a model again and select QN. I just selected this one, okay. And add a model, okay, and I would like to select something else like Mistral, okay, medium. Add model again, and I would like to select DeepSeek, for example, or Llama by Meta, okay, and select this version Azure. And what about select another one? Okay, it's a 4 generated content as you see. So now click over this button, send a message, and just in a few seconds here, these 4 boxes would generate your own article or your new copies of your own article, as you see. So now you have 4 different versions or new copies of your article as you see. The mastering of the art of leadership from QN. As you observe, new style, new tone, new structure about this article. And here for the Mistral medium, the mastering leadership essential strategies for success and so on as you see. And here from the Claude as you observe. You have the time to actually change these AI models as you want, like you can select a Grok, a DeepSeek, a Quinn, Kimi, and so on. Here you can generate different copies and the versions of the same article. So here in this website, you can actually copy this one, for example, and publish on medium.com, and this one on Quora Space, and the third copy on your blog as you want. And then you can monetize your articles and these different copies using affiliate marketing, digital item selling, and so on. And furthermore, you can't only rely on just this amazing website, but also you can go to this amazing website that is chathub.gg. Here you can actually generate different results from different AI models completely for free if you use the two cells or two different AI models, these three models, or the 4 nets free plan. So here, by the way, you can actually insert here the same message you put earlier in yop.ai, like rewrite and rephrase this article or your piece of content in that box. And here in this cells, you can select your AI models from this drop-down menu, like here from GPT-5 for free. Here for Claude, I can make it as, for example, Gemini. And here, this one, we can make it Kimi or something like that, Perplexity, Sora, Perplexity, or we can make it as you see, for example. And then we can go for sure to yop.ai and select one of them here, copy, and ask it to rewrite this one, rewrite if you want more versions of your article. So rewrite this article, okay, and Control V, and just go. And just in a few seconds here you can find new versions of your article here in using different AI models. If you actually publish your own article in different places, in different platforms, as you see. So that way, using these two different platforms, you can generate up to 10 new copies of your own article that you can get in the first place from ChatGPT or from your own thoughts. So that way you can rewrite and rephrase your article just in a few seconds, just with a click of a button, and completely for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.